Hey y'all, today we are making fried chicken street corn tacos. Let's get into this video. All right, so first we're going to make our street corn. I have about 3 tablespoons of olive oil heating up on high heat. Going to drain the can of corn, and then we're going to fry this. Once the sugar starts to get crispy and sticky, that's when you know it's done. So we're going to let this fry, and then we're going to turn the burner off and then let it cool. I really love the smell of fried corn. It's just like buttery and sweet and sticky smelling all throughout the house. So we're going to let this cool, and then we'll work on our other ingredients. All right, so I am going to chop some cilantro. You can use as little or as much as you like, and then some red onion. I used about a 1/4 cup of chopped red onion. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're having a lovely Monday and a great start to your week. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to this video. As always, I appreciate my returning subscribers. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. All right, so our corn is cooled, so we're going to add that in. I'm also going to add in the juice from 1 lime. Once we've added the lime, I'm going to add in some dried Parmesan cheese, about 3 tablespoons. You can add more if you like. About 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then I'm going to mix everything through. And then I am going to chop up some queso fresco cheese and add that in as well. And then for flavor, I'm going to sprinkle some tahini in there. If you have chili powder, I like spicy chili powder. I didn't have any, but this is another good ingredient to add in too. All right, so once everything is mixed together, we are going to set this in the refrigerator to chill. And now we're going to work on our avocado dressing. So I have some cilantro. I'm going to cut a jalapeno. And then I'm also going to add in some avocado. You guys, I love tacos. I can eat fish tacos, ground beef tacos, shrimp tacos. I think I make them at least once a week. And this was a cool new recipe. I love fried chicken and I love tacos, so I thought we should combine them. But being from California, we eat a lot of tacos here. Then we'll squeeze in the juice of 1 lime. I'm going to add some salt and pepper, and I'd say about a 1/4 cup of water. If you want it a little thinner, you can add more water. All right, so I'm going to get everything blended together. Again, if you want it a little thinner, you can add more water. And then we're going to let this chill, and then we're going to start to work on our chicken. All right, so I have 1 chicken breast. I am going to cut this into bigger bite-sized pieces. You can also use boneless chicken thighs, but we're just going to get these cut up, and then I'm going to season them. I'll have the measurements of the seasonings in the description box. First, I'm going to season with a little bit of salt, and then cayenne, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and cumin is what I used. All right, so I'm just getting this mixed up, and then I'm gonna add the salt and then the mixture of the seasonings. To my flour, I'm gonna add that same seasoning mixture and a little bit of salt. All right, so we're gonna do a wet and dry mixture. So I'm adding some water and 2 tablespoons of flour to a different bowl. Just gonna mix that. You wanna add more water so that it's kind of a runny consistency. So just get everything mixed thoroughly. And then we're gonna dip the chicken in the wet batter and then into the dry flour, and then we'll sit it on the cutting board. All right, and I do have some vegetable oil that is on the stove, heating up on a medium-high heat. All right, so I'm gonna add this chicken in, and I'd say I fried them on both sides for about 4 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna drain the chicken and let it just sit on the cooling rack. And then I am going to fry up some tortillas. You can use flour or corn. I found some tortillas that are a mixture of flour and corn, and I like them a lot. So I just used some of that same oil that I fried the chicken in, and then just going to fry up the tortillas and get this thing plated. All right, so I'm just adding that corn salsa and then the avocado dressing, and then I did add some sriracha because I like a little bit of spice. This is great for Taco Tuesday. It is a different spin on tacos. If you guys try this, let me know how you like it. I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.